Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be giving you the step-by-step guidelines on how you can make money on YouTube in Jamaica. So if you are working a 9-to-5 job, you're a student and you're looking for a side hustle that have the potential to earn you extra income or even turn into a full-time income, you're watching the right video. So if you want to learn the secrets to the YouTube game, I will show you in this video and also show you an example of how much one of my friends' channels make at the end of this video. Okay, let's get into it. Now, a lot of people want to start YouTube channels but are afraid, and the reason why they are afraid to start is because they are camera shy and don't want to show their face on camera. But what if I told you that there is no need to show your face on a YouTube channel? Yes, you heard right. There is no need to show your face. There are thousands of channels on YouTube with millions of views and are making six figures annually, and you have never seen their face. These channels are called faceless YouTube channels, and I will show you how you can create one of your own that could potentially earn you thousands of US dollars. Now, the first thing you need to do to start on YouTube is to create a Google account. Once you have done that, you can now create your channel by just clicking your profile picture and following the simple instructions. Now, before you can start to make videos, you will need equipment to make your videos, and that's just a laptop or a phone and editing software. There are softwares or apps that are free to use, while there are others that you have to pay to use. Some popular video editing software includes Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, iMovie, and Shortcuts. If you have never edited a video before, you'll probably have to learn by trial and error or teach yourself through the internet. Now, for a faceless channel, you will have to do voiceovers for your videos, so you'll need a microphone and audio recording software. Popular audio recording software includes Audacity, GarageBand, WavePad Audio, and Adobe Audition. Now that you have created your channel, your next step is to decide what you're going to call your channel and what it will be about. Coming up with a channel name is very simple, just make something up. Your channel name can be based on what your channel is about. Let's say you make cat videos. You can just call your channel All About Cats or The Cat Channel. Coming up with a name is as simple and easy as that. Now, you might not have any idea what type of videos you would want to make on YouTube, but no need to worry, as all you need to do is to pick a niche that suits you. Now, you might be wondering, what is a niche? And a niche is simply the main topic or the main category that you will be focusing on. Since you will not be showing your face in your videos, you will have to choose specific niches to make videos, and some of the best niches for a faceless channel includes teaching or explaining videos, video game walkthrough, motivational videos, animated videos, product review videos, celebrity gossip, fan or news channels. In Jamaica, there are some popular faceless channels, and these channels are mostly commentary channels which focuses on daily news, current affairs, and some that focuses mostly on the music, celebrity, and gossip scene. When making videos for a faceless channel, the first thing you need to do is your research and writing your script. For example, if I'm running a celeb or fan channel and doing a video on a popular person, you will have to do your research on that topic, write your script, and then record your voiceover. Now, after you have written your script and done your voiceover, it's time to start editing your video. And now you might be wondering, where will I get video clips to put in my video? And the simple answer to that is stock footage, news, and interview video clips. You can find stock footage on sites such as Pixabay, Pixels, Vidzy, etc. You can also find clips on YouTube itself. All you need to do is use short clips of any video on YouTube and ensure that you talk straight throughout the video so your video can fall under fair use, which allows for the use of copyrighted material without having to first acquire permission from the copyright holder for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, and so on. Once you have made your video, it's time to upload on YouTube. Just go to YouTube, click the upload icon to upload your video, and there you have it. You have your first video on the platform. Now your video is on the platform, but it's not getting views. And why is that so? Well, we did not create a captivating thumbnail. So let's go back before you upload your video. To get views on YouTube, you have to create a good thumbnail for your video, as the thumbnail is the first thing that your viewers will see, which will either make them want to click on your video or not. So you have a good thumbnail and a good video. Now what's next? Well, your next move is to continue to create and upload more videos and get better on your craft of making videos. To start earning on YouTube, you have to reach YouTube's requirement for monetization, and that's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you have reached the requirements and YouTube accepts you into their program, you will be able to start earning money from your videos. Now let's talk about my friend's Faceless channel, which started in 2020. He's a football fan, so he makes content about football and you will never see his face on YouTube. All he does is make criticism, provides commentary on footballers and football matches, and he uses images and short video clips to make his videos. In the last year, his channel got a little over 8 million views and made 4,250,000 Jamaican dollars, which is 27,419 US dollars. And if his channel was a finance channel and got 8 million views, he would have made in the region of 9.9 million Jamaican dollars, which is equivalent to 64,000 US dollars, because videos about finance and business earn a lot more money per 1,000 views compared to sports channels, entertainment, pranks, and so on. Now, I hope this video encourages some of you guys to start your own Faceless channel and see where you can go with it. Thanks for watching, hope this video helped you, and see you next time.